Okay, so now we're done with the setting up of the floor levels of the building. So, so now I will teach you how to add drawing. From the drawing folder, first from the navigation bar, under the common folder, then CAD drawings. There is a drawings folder here, which has an icon that says add. Just click add to add the drawing. Go to the location of your file and then select the file that you want to be loaded in the Cubicost TME 2018. So that's it. Now, the file has been loaded to Cubicost TME 2018. So, now there is a 5 icon here which says add drawing if you want to add more drawings. Then get scale value if you want to scale the drawings. Generate to generate the drawing. Then split and locate. Then delete. So now I will teach you how to do it, or how those functions work one by one. Okay, first, get scale value. The purpose of this one is to for us to be able to scale a drawing. So what if the drawing that has been uploaded uh, is an image or a PDF file? So the scale of the drawing is not accurate. So that's where the get scale value will come in. Just a little tip for you guys is never forget to zoom it in. Why? Because the the X mark here. Yeah, yeah. Do you see the X mark here? Yeah, the X mark here is not accurate. So for us to get an accurate scaling, just zoom it in, then select, and then yeah, yeah. So as you can see, it is almost equal to 9,000 millimeters. So we can now say that uh, the scaling of this AutoCAD drawing is accurate or correct. Okay, so we can use this get scale value to check if the scaling of the drawing is correct, or even use it if we know that the scaling is not correct. Okay, so here now we're done with the scaling, uh, and now we have here the floor column and drawing number column. So if you will be able to recall what I said earlier, the purpose of setting up the floor levels of the building under the floor settings function is for us to be able to generate the drawing. So here I will show you. This will happen if we do not put values here in the floor column and drawing number column. So if I will generate the drawing, see, please select a floor for the drawing. So it will not allow you to generate the drawing if there is no floor level. Why do we need to generate the drawing? Is that really important? Yes. Is it very important? Because if you will not generate the drawing, if you uh, if you start measuring using this added drawing here, there's a tendency that uh, the software itself will not be able to read the floor level of your drawing properly or correctly. For example, we're now here with the basement level 3. So if you did not generate it, there's a tendency that the software will read this drawing as a basement level 2 or even roof deck. So from there will be uh, inaccuracy in the report that we will be making, right? So now just select the proper level or proper floor level for this drawing. From the drawing name itself, it is a basement level 3, so let us select basement level 3. So after setting this up, we can now generate the drawing. But I want to emphasize first the purpose of split and locate. The purpose of a split and locate is, for example, we want to measure a particular particular room or particular area only. For example, we want to measure this area only, the fan room. So we need to split this one or split this area. So yeah, now I will show you. So just left click uh, the area that you want or the point that you want to be your reference. For example, I will choose this one. Left click, and then uh, after you left click, then uh, right click, and then drag the area. For example, in my example, in my example here, we will be using the fan room, or we will split the fan room from the layout itself. Okay. Then after you drag, then press right click again. Then, for example, we want to name this one as fan room. Select it. Then put level 3. Okay. So now we split it. Uh, we were able to select what area to be splitted. So then, uh, for you guys to see, then we can now generate the drawing. Then select this, generate. Okay, so now the drawing has been generated. Yan, as you can see here, the fan room was splitted, or yeah, was splitted from the whole drawing itself. But guys, you are not limited to only one area only. For example, you want to add another area. For example, store here, the store here. Just repeat the process or the procedure, then you will be able to split the drawings. So that's it. So hope you guys learned something new from me today. And on the next topic, I will discuss you uh, how to how to identify devices. Yan. So we will now start with the measuring process. And I know you guys wanted it so badly. So once again, thank you for listening. Hope you learned something new from me. Thank you.